Are you busy? Yes, a little. Can you help me? Sure, thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me? Yes? I'm sorry. That's okay. Please sit down. Thank you. Come in, please. Thank you. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. I'm hungry. Let's eat. I'm thirsty. Here's some water. Let's go. Okay. Wait a minute. Sure. Hurry up. I'm coming. Where are you going? I'm going home. When will you come back? In an hour. What are you doing? I'm studying. Do you like tea? Yes, I do. Do you like coffee? No, I don't. What's your favorite food? Pizza. Can I ask you something? Of course. What happened? Nothing. Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine. I don't understand. Let me explain. Please speak slowly. Okay. Can you repeat that? Sure. I agree. Me too. I don't think so. Maybe. That's a good idea. Thank you. See you later. See you. Have a nice day. You too. Take care. You too. Welcome. Thank you. What would you like? I'd like some tea. How much is this? It's 100 rupees. Where's the restroom? It's over there. Can I use your phone? Yes, you can. I need your help. Sure. Congratulations. Thank you. Have a safe trip. Thanks. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Let's start. Okay. What is this? It's a book. Who is he? He is my friend. Who is she? She is my sister. Is this yours? Yes, it is. Can I sit here? Yes, please. Do you understand? Yes, I do. What's the matter? I'm tired. Are you free now? Yes, I am. Where do you live? I live in Delhi. Can you hear me? Yes, clearly. Do you speak English? A little. Are you hungry? Yes, very. Are you thirsty? Yes, I am. Do you need help? Yes, please. Can I join you? Of course. What day is today? It's Monday. What's today's date? It's July 2nd. Is it raining? Yes, it is. How's the weather? It's sunny. Where is my bag? It's on the table. Open the door. Okay. Close the window. Sure. Turn on the light. Done. Turn off the fan. Okay. Are you at home? Yes, I am. What are you looking for? My keys. Do you have a pen? Yes, I do. Can I borrow it? Sure. Is everything okay? Yes, everything is fine. What's for dinner? Rice and vegetables. Are you coming with us? Yes. When is your birthday? In October. What do you want? I want some water. Can you drive? Yes, I can. Are you happy? Yes, very happy. What are your hobbies? Reading and music. Do you play cricket? Yes, sometimes. Where do you work? At a school. What did you buy? Some fruits. Are you sleeping? No, I'm awake. Can we talk? Yes, of course. What are your plans? I'm going shopping. Shall we meet tomorrow? Yes, let's meet. Do you have any questions? No, thank you. See you tomorrow. See you. Best of luck. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye.